All right, this is the part of the course where I teach you to build your own rig. You're not going to be building a whole rig. So think of the time it's going to take for you to build a whole rig and put it together onto the trailer and make sure the soft wash system is there and it's all connected and you got the big tanks. So here's what you need to know. People are leaving this business 4 out of 5 every every year. There are a lot of rigs out there already, and you're not going to buy a new one either. This is just a lesson in business. When you start something in business and you're investing, you generally start small, make sure it's working for you, and then build up. And then if you want to build a whole rig or go big and get something from a manufacturer that's going to last you a long time, something like that, go for it. But for now, we are going to take one of these rigs that someone else has already built and it's ready for you to scoop up. So where do you get them? Let me show you. So the first place you're just going to go is Facebook Marketplace right here. And you're going to do a search. You're going to type in pressure washer trailer. Okay? And then you're going to get a lot of possibilities. So this one looks good. Looks like it has a soft wash in it. You're not going to offer 5,700. You're going to offer a little bit less. But before you get that far, you're going to hit date listed. You can say last 30 days. Okay? So these guys that are listing it for a little bit longer time, they're more desperate. And you go down and you make an offer on something like this. 3,000. Will you take 2,400? Okay, and that's going to be your first pressure washer. If you can't find anything, even though look at how many options you have, you're going to find something on here. Make sure it has a soft wash, which is going to be these blue, blue hoses, and that's a chemical tank on there. You don't start in business with a $16,000 anything. You don't. If that doesn't work, you go to Craigslist. Craigslist, you go under Tools. You also go under General, and you go under Business. And for all three of these, you type in pressure washer trailer and see what comes up. So this one might be a good starter for you. Okay, 4,600. Again, you don't offer that. This one right here, $223 a month lease to own. I mean, you could go that way. It doesn't look like it has a soft wash on it. And this is under business, so they might even give you their customer list. So even better. Tools, same thing. You type in pressure washer trailer and see what comes up. Okay, similar stuff. And General pressure washer trailer. Let's see what comes up. All right. So between all of these options, you're going to find something that's going to work for you. And if you can't afford any of this stuff yet, which is fine, then you do the quick start guide I had you go over. So you're going to rent a pressure washer. You're going to use a pump sprayer, and you're going to spray those problem areas where there's green or mold or algae. You spray that with some chlorine, and you make that money. You can get your first jobs done with just that, renting, and you build up and you get one of these rigs. And then on residentials, you're still going to be cutting a profit. So you're going to make more and more money. You're going to look forward to a bigger system. Up the line, you're going to get a commercial rig with an 8-gallon a minute. But for now, this is how you start, and this is how you, quote unquote, build your first rig. All right? Okay, let's go on to the next lesson. And try to get a 12-volt system. If you can't get it, you order a 12-volt soft wash pump, and you can install it. It's just a matter of nailing it down, attaching the hoses, attaching the tank. There are videos for that, but just get one that has one with it, and just do what I just told you. You offer a little bit lower, and we'll get you started, and you can start doing more work faster and have a real business. All right, that's the first step to having your equipment. Good.